By the end of this video, you should be able to crop images or photos into shapes that are available inside Canva. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. So to do that, we have a blank canvas here, and let's begin by the shapes that we want. So we'll need to go to elements, and for this we will not use the shapes that we have like the basic shapes. What we need, well, basically these are the shapes that we have, rectangles and all that, but for this we'll need to use frames that are either of the shape that we want, so that we can actually just crop out this into that. So let's click on the frames, see all, and let's assume you wanted to crop a photo into this particular shape. Just drag and drop it inside there. Go to the photos, and then let's say we just drag and drop this one inside there. We've just cropped this image into that particular shape, and you can keep going. Let's look for elements. Let's say we just scroll down slightly, and let's see what else we get here. So let's say we want this brush or gradient of sorts here. Let's say we look for another photo, and then let's say we just want to drag this here. This looks really good. So if you're actually looking to spice up your designs or crop pictures into shapes, this can really spice up your design, because somebody is actually wondering, what is this? How did you do this? And you can keep going, just look for more elements inside the frames. Let's say we want to get this donut or just this shape, a circle with a hole in the center. Look for a photo, and then let's say we'll work with this one. Let's say this one. There we go. But now unfortunately you cannot see what's inside, so you may need to click on it and then click on crop, and then just pull it up so that you can offer a sneak peek to what is going on right here. Click on done, so you have a sneak peek of what is going on here. So you can create whatever you want inside these frames, and that is literally just how you can crop photos into shapes in Canva using frames, and it's really awesome, and you can use it to spice up your designs. Thank you so much for watching this video.